So right now, we're talking about what happened in our country. The Philippines is no longer a democratic country, for my opinion. Because after abusing the Filipino people with continuous price increases while our citizens struggle to sustain their basic needs, but massive corruption has still been committed by the government officials under the directives of our leader Bongbong Marcos. Yet, despite this massive corruption, he remains in office. In a true democracy, the people of the Philippines should have the authority to shut down a corrupt government. That is the essence of a democratic form of government. We pay billions in taxes to cover the salaries of our government officials, but we cannot find any accountability in their service, especially from our elected president. You know guys, in a democratic country, if there is a massive corruption, he should no longer be a leader in our country. But he remains in power because he acts a dictator. That is the true story. We're now calling our policemen and armed forces of the Philippines that the money you have received does not come from the president or any politician. It comes from the Filipino people of the Philippines who are suffering right now for poverty. So, show your empathy, sympathy to our people and to our country. Remember, the funds that you hold are not from the president, are not from the dictator, but from the people of the Philippines. Show your integrity and honesty. Fear to God and listen to your conscience. Remember, these officials like Remulla and Teodoro have billions for their activities, programs, and any projects like buying the weapons from other country. But that money does not come from the president. It comes from the people of the Philippines, only distributed by our president, our leader.